and of course, Shabash Me Too happened eventually a year or so down the line. How did that come about?
When we came back from the World Cup, of course, there were a lot of talks about doing a movie, and I was a little apprehensive because I didn't know whether this would happen or not and how things would go. But if you ask me honestly, I never thought that there would be a movie on my journey as a cricketer. But again, it is very relatable in terms of my book as well, because it is something, again, probably more shorter version of the book will be probably get to see on the screen. But
Right.
I'm actually in a way happy that in some level women's cricket is being acknowledged by everybody
Absolutely.
in India, and there is no more that ignorance about women's cricket or women cricketers in our country, which we faced back then. And I'm sure if, like how Dangal or how Mary Com's movie has inspired so many young girls to take up a profession which was not very inclined to women, I think my movie should also, or will be, inspiring a lot of young girls, because these days I see those videos on social media with very tiny tots, like literally 3-4 years, kids are holding the bat. They're literally the height of the bat and they're playing such beautiful strokes. So I think those kids should be inspired to see the journey of a women cricketer and at some point dream of playing for India. And if that happens, like nothing like it.
Oh, you have already done that, and I'm sure this movie is probably going to take that to the next level. But Taapsee, of course, did seem to be a little apprehensive about the fact that you would be monitoring her cover drives and how well she's going to execute those. How closely have you been in touch with her, and what are the kind of inputs that you keep sharing with her?
Well, I just told her that, she has to work extra hard on the cover drive, because one is that obviously I want to put that fear in her a little bit to see whether she'll get rattled by it. And but I think she aced the picture of the movie with the hat and everything, because pretty much that's the detailing which goes in. And at some point, a lot of people have texted saying that, we can't really make out if it is you or her on the picture, So I think she pretty much will work on the kind of style that I play my skill, because that is what people would like to see, or closer to what I look on the field. And she will be probably monitored and coached by, of course, one of my closest friend, Nooshin, because Noosh has seen me even grow as a cricketer, and she knows pretty much all the small, minute details of what I do when I'm training or when I'm trying to get into bat. All the superstitions of wearing my left leg guard first, and all these things will come into. And if not for the lockdown, or if not for the current situation, probably she would have started her training by now.
Right. Has she had a chance to shadow you? Just observe your lifestyle, keep tabs of what you're doing?
Well, I think it would be difficult for both of us, because obviously she's also a busy actress and she's been doing quite a bit of films. And even I was kind of, even though I was not playing the T20 World Cup, but I was very busy as an ambassador for ICC. So even I was traveling a lot, and then we had our camps, fitness training and everything. So tailing me would be very difficult. So that is the reason why I think she actually got in my best friend to coach her in that sense. Yeah.